Hello friends, I am Chetan Singadia from Dr. Subhash Technical Campus. You are watching the video lecture series for the subject of Cloud Infrastructure and Services. Today we are going to see what is Amazon Lightsail, that is one of the compute service in AWS. Now let us start with what is Amazon Lightsail. This cloud computing tool automatically deploys and manages the computer, storage and networking capabilities required to run your applications. Amazon Lightsail is a VPS, that is Virtual Private Service. This service, which gives you a template to choose from. You can either choose a plain operating system or an operating system with a pre-backed applications which are ready to be used with a click of button. Now let us see who will use this Amazon Lightsail service. Let us take an example to take forward you where a blogger remembers. You would need a WordPress configured system. For that you just have to choose the WordPress icon from the Create Instance dashboard. Select the desired plan and you are good to go. So basically, if you want everything to be installed, configured automatically from the technical side, and also if your system does not require auto scaling, this should be the things for you. Now let us see how it will work actually. Now see the example of Amazon Lightsail. Moving along in this Amazon Lightsail tutorial, let us launch a WordPress configure instance in Amazon Lightsail. For that, we have to follow following steps. Let's see one by one. In the step 1, log in to your AWS Management Console and select Amazon Lightsail. Second step, click on the Create Instance button. In third step, you can now select the required options. Since we are launching a WordPress server, so we will select the WordPress options in the templates. In step 5, by default, an Virginia region will be selected for you since Amazon Lightsail is only available in that region. But you can choose the desired availability zones also. In step 6, you can rename your instances to something more appropriate and it last click on create. So here you can rename your instances and you have to click here to create. It will take some time for the machine to be up and running. Once everything is done, on the main instance page, click on your instance and copy paste the public IP address of your instance in the new tab. So after copy paste of IP address, once you visit this IP address, in the following page will look like. After completion of all these steps, you will get a message like congratulations, you have a WordPress site machine at your services. So friends, this is what Amazon Lightsail.